morning, this is Katie Jarvis reporting on exoplanet K218b. Today I'll be looking at articles in Discover, Nova, and National Geographic to analyze the coverage of this discovery. What if we could live on a different planet? Well, this might be a possibility, and the destination? Exoplanet K218b. After this speech, you will know why the location and conditions on this exoplanet harbor a possible hope for extraterrestrial life, and the further research that needs to be done. This discovery is important for humans because we've been searching for life for a very long time, and I have been following this story using reliable news sources for a while. This story is in the news because scientists believe that this planet may harbor life, but a fact-checking analysis shows that some of these major news outlets are overstating their results. The first part to understanding this coverage is to understand the topic itself. K218b has risen to prominence due to water vapor found in its atmosphere, which leads to a hope for extraterrestrial life. Catherine Wu in Nova says that this exoplanet was discovered in 2015, and research since then has been looking into the atmosphere and composition of the planet. Jake Parks in Discover says this planet is located in the constellation Leo, which is 111 light years away. Its diameter is 2 times that of Earth, and it has a mass 8 times that of Earth. Michael Greshko in National Geographic says that this planet is found in its star's habitable zone, which is the zone where liquid water is possible, so scientists have studied the atmosphere and led to a further analysis of the planet's conditions. To do this, they aimed the Hubble Space Telescope at the planet, and it found that it does indeed have water vapor in its atmosphere and a potential temperature range of -100 to 116 degrees Fahrenheit, says Jake Parks on September 11, 2019. In addition, this planet may be able to form clouds and even rain, says Catherine Wu in Nova. But there needs to be more research. Michael Greshko in National Geographic says that scientists hope to use the James Webb Space Telescope and the Ariel Space Telescope, which are both in the process of being completed. Although these stories cover the same basic facts, they have differing focuses on the habitability of the planet. There's been similar coverage, but some of the articles focus more on the scientific side, while some focus more on attracting an audience. National Geographic and Nova, Michael Greshko and Catherine Wu respectively, focus on their audience attention by their word choice. Catherine Wu in Nova says that this week, astronomers have found a new hope for extraterrestrial habitability, and Michael Greshko called this planet potentially life-friendly and even alien in his National Geographic article, which shows that they're both focusing more on the implications that this planet may have life itself. Jake Parks in Discover, however, focuses more on the scientific facts, when he quotes a scientist saying, "This planet is the best candidate for habitability that we know right now." Although these articles have different focuses, they're still based on the same facts because they're based on 2 independent research papers. These papers were released around the same time, so they're based on the same articles, by Benecki et al. And Sarias et al. From September 11, 2019. Benecki et al. In Water Vapor on Habitable Zone Exoplanet K218b found that this planet does indeed have water vapor in its atmosphere, and says that it represents a milestone in our search for habitable worlds outside the solar system. He is not, however, saying that life can be found on this planet, as Wu and Greshko both say, just that there are favorable conditions for habitability, which is an important distinction. Sarias et al. In Water Vapor in the Atmosphere of the Habitable Zone 8 Earth Mass Planet K218b says that there is indeed water vapor in its atmosphere, and that further research needs to be done into the planetary climate and potential habitability. This shows that he's being very cautious with his words because there's not enough data, and it looks like Jake Parks in his article in Discover is using the same cautious tone for an unbiased coverage. Because these are separate analyses and they yield the same results, and not a very political topic, the coverage is mainly unbiased. National Geographic and Nova are not unreliable due to their focus of habitability, because Sarias et al. On September 11, 2019 says that future research is going to confirm or deny life, and they're using their real details to draw their audience into an important topic. Because these articles focus mainly on the truth, they can be seen as reliable news sources. K218b has the possibility of life, and there's some unbiased coverage and a little bit of biased coverage. but it's all based on 2 independent research papers, which means there's a focus on the truth. K218b is a good candidate for extraterrestrial life, although some of the major news outlets overstate these developments. Further research, however, is needed to confirm or deny the habitability, but it is an exciting possibility for now.